Are you planning engaging, fun, and educational outings for student groups in Atlanta? Whether your club is focused on politics, STEM, the arts, or the environment, we've pulled together some of our favorite ideas to make your club field trips successful. Hi, I'm Ariel with Unexpected Atlanta, the city's #1 rated food and history tour company, and today I'm unpacking some great ways to discover Atlanta with your student group. And if you want tips for more things to do in the ATL, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. Let's start with political and civic engagement groups or groups studying U.S. history. Atlanta's civil rights legacy is a must-do for any student group, but often students feel disconnected from what they are learning when they're just dropped into a museum and told to go read on their own. Now that can be a bit overwhelming, especially for kids. Instead, consider having your students walk through the historic King District, where they'll be able to trace Dr. Martin Luther King Jr.'s steps with a 2.5-hour guided tour. Or for students from 3rd to 6th grade, we recommend our King Kids Discovery Tour, which is shorter, 90-minute version. It includes a scavenger hunt specifically designed for younger learners. For STEM and science clubs, there's so much to explore in Atlanta. Inspire robotics teams with a behind-the-scenes peek at Georgia Tech's robotics lab, where real innovation meets student curiosity. Or let astronomy clubs immerse themselves in the wonders of space at the Fernbank Science Center, featuring planetarium shows and interactive exhibits. Another stellar choice is the CDC Museum, offering guided insights into public health and the science of disease prevention. For art and drama clubs, we have 6 amazing ideas. First up, foster creativity with a vibrant mural walk through Atlanta's street art corridors with an interactive exploration of visual storytelling on Unexpected Atlanta's Art and Mural Tour, where photos are encouraged. Speaking of photos, photography clubs will find endless inspiration at the Atlanta Botanical Gardens with its lush landscapes, sculptures, and guided or self-paced tours tailored for budding artists. For a classic art museum experience, the High Museum of Art offers guided visits and hands-on workshops for K-12 students. Drama clubs. Take note. Live performances at venues like the Fox Theater, Alliance Theater, or the Shakespeare Tavern Playhouse offer master classes in craft and storytelling. And if your group is more focused on sustainability, get outside and give back by volunteering at Piedmont Park environmental clubs. They can help clean and restore and preserve this urban natural gem while learning about ecology and community stewardship. Or discover more about the Beltline with Trees Atlanta on one of their guided tours. These ideas, they're just the tip of the iceberg. Unexpected Atlanta offers tours for every interest, group size, and season. Whether you're planning a learning adventure or a fun club outing, let these Atlanta student group activities inspire your next excursion. Want help customizing itineraries, managing logistics, or choosing the right length for your group? We would be happy to assist. Just reach out to us, info@unexpectedatlanta.com. And like and subscribe the channel for more insider perspectives on Atlanta.